Welcome once again to the Weather Centre, everyone. Taking a look at our satellite imagery, we see that it was a settled day for most of the country, although in the east, a high-pressure system that's moved off the coastline has pushed in moisture over parts of the low veld and the adjacent escarpments. It remained quite cloudy over these areas today, and along with that, it was quite a bit cooler. There was some cloud cover that developed over the high veld, although it remained dry across the area. Heading into tomorrow and a week, cold fronts will be making landfall along the southwest coast during the course of the morning. That's going to bring in a chance for rain in that area, and as the cold front moves along the south coast, we could see a little bit of light rain in the region, but in the evening we're going to see moisture pushing in along with that front over parts of the Eastern Cape, where light rain or drizzle will be developing during the evening hours on Monday. Partly cloudy for the central, northern and eastern parts. There is a possibility for a narrow band of showers, perhaps even a bit of thunder developing, mainly during the evening. Let's move ahead to the alerts, and only one has been issued. This is a watch for heavy swells which are likely to develop between Table Bay and Plettenberg Bay. This will be taking place later on, mainly during the evening hours, and we could see swell heights in excess of 6 meters over this area. KwaZulu-Natal is going to be sunny and dry. We are expecting it to be a much warmer day. Many places will get into the low 30s, although a cold morning in the forecast for Kokstad, 7 degrees as a minimum temperature. The Eastern Cape will be mostly dry as well, but as I've mentioned, we will see the likelihood of rain developing, especially for the eastern parts of the province, and drizzle likely along the escarpment areas as well. Heading into the Western Cape, and there is a very slight chance for light rain along the south coast as the front moves through, but along the Atlantic seaboard, a good chance for rain in the morning hours. We'll see things clearing up later on for that area. A bit of cloud will move in further up the west coast, but it will remain dry up until it will be partly cloudy and hot once again at 32 degrees. But just to the east of that, there's that very slight chance for a few thunder showers, mainly into the evening for Postmasburg, Kimberley, as well as crossing over into the Free State for Bloemfontein. Heading into the northwest, and there could also be a couple of isolated showers around Vryburg later on. The rest of the province should be partly cloudy, hot and dry in the afternoon. Monday will be much warmer over most of Limpopo, but in particular for the Lowveld and escarpment areas, temperatures bouncing back nicely across those areas, reaching the low 30s. On the Mpumalanga Highveld, we will see some cloud cover, but no rain in the forecast, with temperatures in the upper 20s. Very similar for Gauteng, another lovely autumn day for the province, with sunshine expected, becoming partly cloudy later on. Light winds in the forecast for the northern parts of the country, but a moderate to fresh southwesterly wind will develop along the Eastern Cape coastline. On Tuesday, thunder showers likely for some parts of the Highveld, including Johannesburg, a maximum of 27 degrees. And by Wednesday, only a little bit of light early morning rain around Mbombela and the rest of the escarpment, while it will be sunny and dry in the west.